I ordered this package on eBay in the Netherlands and arrived in less than 24 hours. But I already opened because I forgot to turn on the audio while making the video. Welcome to Retro Machines. My name is Victor Bart and here's the footage without sound. So for 15 euros I bought a rail kit for this Sunfire V210 server, and I already had the inner rails and these are the outer rails. Let's see how they fit. Rear, front right, so we need to have the front left, that is this side. Yeah, perfect. Nice. And when you push this, awesome. These are really high quality, heavy duty rails. So I think the 15 euro is really worth it. And they are not bent, they're working as it should. You can extend this part, so yeah, love it. But let's talk a bit about the machine itself, because this is a dual CPU Spark system. And the build quality is extremely high with a nice double hinge, so I can lay this flat. We have two CPUs, two Ultra Spark 3s running at I think 1.34 GHz each. 8 memory banks DDR1, so I can upgrade this system to 16 GB. I have already the sticks, a 64-bit PCI slot, another bus that I don't know what it is. It's a SCSI system with a lot of small fans, so it's not a silent system. Quad Ethernet on board, COM ports, console ports, USB, SCSI, everything you need. And the front panel has a special hinge. And here we have two SCSI hard drives, both are 72 GB 10,000 RPM. And just 80-pin SCSI, so easy to replace. And here we already have two Sunfire V210, so I gonna install the V210 under here. So let's see, rear, front right. So this one goes here. Front left and rear. This is perfect, so easy to work on. It's just hanging off the rails. It has all kinds of locking mechanisms, they are all working. Yeah, I think this 15 euros is well spent. And the other nice thing about this machine, that it already comes with two CPUs, because CPUs for this kind of systems are harder to find or really expensive. So in a later video I'm gonna set up the Sunfire V100 and the V210, but I think it looks really amazing in my Sun rack to have some really nice Sun machines with the Sun logos here and the nice front panels. They look so much more nicer than the rest. Even I think they look nicer than the Apple Xserve down here. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to support me, you can support me on Patreon or use my Amazon affiliated links down in the description.